How's it going? What's up and what's happening there, blessed beautiful souls? Welcome to the Crypto Bliss Show today. Thank you for being here with me on this wonderful start to the Monday. And I am so excited to be here with you guys once again. Guys, yesterday I didn't have a video for you guys, of course, but thank you always to my subscribers for pumping the channel. We are doing so well here on the channel, so really appreciate every single one of you beautiful and blessed souls. Thank you. And the last time I did a video here was Bitcoin time to sell my Cardano trade. So I got taken out of my Cardano trade because they hunted the stop losses in a liquidity run. And I ended up getting back into my Cardano trade. It's still a little bit down, but I am still continuing to add to the position because Cardano is definitely going to be pumping very, very soon. And if you want to know what trades that I will be making very, very soon, make sure to hit the subscription bell so that you guys can find out there. In the meantime, let's go and check out what's happening in the market. We are currently down 1.3% for the day, sitting at 1.22 trillion, which is pretty darn awesome. Bitcoin is still holding very strong above the 30,000 level at 30,379. ETH at 1890, BNB at 237, Ripple at 48 cents, Cardano at 29 cents, Dogecoin at 6.6 cents, Solana at 1692, which is pretty awesome, guys. And I'm only going to do the top 10 for us today. On the Fear and Greed Index, we have smashed down 10 points already, obviously because we've now hit a major resistance level on the chart, and we'll talk about that in the video shortly. On the bubbles, there are coins that are pumping quite nicely. But there are also coins that are in the red. So remember, the coins that are in the red are the ones that you want to accumulate, and the ones that are in the green, you want to just offload some of them for some profits. That's really all, right? So continue that beautiful flow and energy. And in the meantime, let us go and have a look at the news for the day today. So no news today scheduled for US news, but I'm sure there will be some European news. This week, we have durable goods orders. That will be tomorrow. We have new home sales and consumer confidence. That's all tomorrow. Then on Wednesday, we have advanced US trade balance and retail inventories and wholesale inventories. Plus, we have Fed Chair Powell speaking. So there will be a bit of volatility on Wednesday and Thursday. There's no doubt about it. Fed Chair Powell speaks again. Plus, we have initial jobless claims plus pending home sales on Thursday. And then Friday, we have PCE index, core PCE index, and PCE year on year and core PCE year on year. So there will be a lot of volatility once again from Wednesday to Thursday. But let us go and have a look at what last week's volatility actually brought into the market this week. So guys, of course, if you want to trade these beautiful cryptos with me, I'll tell you something now. I'm going to tell you when I get to the chart, not right now. But basically, it is a very, very good time to offload a few of your positions and then just wait for some pullbacks and then look at getting into your entries again. Now, obviously, there's certain trades that will be trades, and there will certain you have your portfolio that you're trading with and making quick, fast money, and then you have other portfolios that are your long-term portfolios, and those are accumulation portfolios. So accumulate when they're low, but you can also trade them while they're low. So if you guys want to trade those with me, hit my Bybit link down below. That will give you a $30,000 deposit bonus, as well as my Bitflix link. That will give you a $50 bonus when you hit the $100 mark on the deposit. So let us not waste any more time. Let's go start off with the Dixie today. And the Dixie on the daily time frame is slowly but surely trying to make its way back up. I did say to you guys that we would maybe see a little bit of a retracement on the Dixie to that kind of level. So we'll just have to be patient, wait and see where it will take us. So it will either come to the green line or the down sloping trend line that has formed now. So that is first level in the Dixie. On the Bitcoin dominance chart, guys, we literally have had green candles straight for like 3 weeks on end here. So I would say it's probably time to have a bit of a break, a pause, a breath, a sell. And I would say that we would probably come back down to the 49%, maybe down here, before making a continuation pattern up to the top side. And that is because the dollar is pulling back at this point in time, and that we know will affect the risk-off assets. So let us go and have a look at this particular Bitcoin chart today, because this particular Bitcoin chart doesn't go back very far, but you can see on the weekly time frame, we've now got we had a very strong buy signal last week, and the RSI is reset, and we've got a strong green candle busy happening currently. So if we do manage to break that target, then my target would be 46K to get out of this long trended pattern. So that would be very, very healthy for the Bitcoin chart. Now let's go and quickly have a look at this one here on the weekly, because on the weekly, this candle actually didn't close above there, but different exchanges and different charts from exchanges will have different price volatility in the charts. And that's why it's very, very important to set your chart on the chart that you're trading the currency on. So in this instance, I don't have any Bitcoin on Coinbase, but you can see we've got a very, very strong buy signal on the weekly from this candle here. Of course, because Coinbase hasn't opened up just yet, there won't be any weekly open up here just yet. But basically, we pull down, we close this candle, we immediately pull back up, and we've now had two strong candles above the level here. So for me, guys, we could get a bit of a continuation, but maybe before the continuation pattern starts, we will need a little bit of some sort of reversal on the pattern. Let me know what you guys think down below. What do you think Bitcoin is going to do in the meantime? Because obviously we've had this crazy major run right now, and you can see we've hit that level. So for me, guys, a very strong and healthy retest would be the level that we broke out of. That would essentially then create a higher low for us, and then we could perhaps look at a very strong breakout of this level up to the 37,000 level, which is my first target, essentially out of that level. So let's be patient. Let's wait. Let's see what we're going to do. But right now, we are in one of the best times we could ever ask to be in Bitcoin and crypto. So yeah, the others chart, this is the 1 hour. Let's go and put it on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we have met the 200 moving average. This is what I said on my video. I said it would move to the 200 moving average. I get funny like that. Sometimes I just want to talk in different accents. So we said that we would move up to the 200 moving average, and then yeah. So right now, essentially, we could essentially pull back down to this level before a nice strong breakout of that trend line there. Now, one of the last things that I have for you guys here is the Ethereum, or the second last chart I have for you guys is the Ethereum chart right now. The Ethereum chart is looking a bit bullish. This is the 1 hour, so it looks like it wants to kind of carry on its momentum to the upside, but I don't believe that that's where we're going to head right now in the Ethereum chart. And I'm going to say that because as much as we've pushed up on the Ethereum, we have also pushed up on the other chart. So yes, we could just crack it up right up to the top level because we didn't do that with Ethereum. But for now, I would say that a short retracement back to the 1800 level would be a very strong level of retracement before we break up and back out to the top of that trend line. Now, guys, one of the last charts I'm going to show you is the Ethereum to Bitcoin pairing. Okay, you can see that we are currently range bound between this bottom here and this kind of top here. And we have been really ranging since March. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, now, I told you guys that I sold my Bitcoin, I sold my Ethereum into Bitcoin over here. We pulled back. Yes, we had a nice little trade. Nobody can predict where the market's going to go, but we can say that there will be resistance levels above us. So for now, I've actually, because of the RSI's turning, we've got a bit of green volume coming in. We're at a strong level of support here on this chart. For me right now, guys, that is telling me that there will be a little bit of a support level at the zone, which essentially is something that would be highly beneficial to us as traders to perhaps take a short-term Ethereum Bitcoin trade back up to the level. So boom, I would say, and that's why I've got now an alert at this level, because if we fail to get back in here, then I'm going to say to you guys that we will definitely pull back. But I've traded my Bitcoin now for Ethereum because I think Ethereum could reach the 200 moving average once again. And then at that point, I'll reevaluate. But the likely scenario of the fall down in Ethereum, as I've said to you guys previously, would definitely be down here at this level right here. That would be a very, very much stronger level of support. So that would be the 0.5428 level. Okay, let me know what you guys think down below. Other than that, please make sure to come over and smash the like button on the channel. I really appreciate every single one of you. Subscribe if you haven't just done that yet. And thank you to all of you. We'll see you on the next one, you beautiful souls. Happy Monday. Happy trading.